Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how your computer managed to run massive applications even when your RAM is limited? Today we'll look at the four key purpose of memory management, from running large program to isolating progress for better system stability. And this is our group, and my name is Rian Rahman,
My name
and number two Zulkifli Ahmad, dan the last Salman Al Farisi. Next, introduction of virtual memory. Virtual memory is a technique that allows a system to run programs larger than the size of RAM by using a portion of this space and extended memory. Programs don't access RAM directly, they operate using virtual addresses, which are then translated into physical addresses by the operating system and the MMU, Memory Management Unit hardware. And next, this is purpose of virtual memory. And number one, running a program less than the RAM capacity. Number two, improves memory efficiency, enables multitasking, and the last, isolate memory between processes for security and stability. Running a program less than their RAM capacity. The system to execute large application even if the computer physical RAM is small. It does this by using a portion of the hard drive the space to act as temporary extra RAM. And number two, improves memory's efficiency. Uh, the system only loads the part of a program that are currently being used into the physical RAM. This ensures that memory resources are not wasted on ID data, making the overall system much more efficient. And number 10 enables multitasking. Um, by managing how different applications use memory, virtual memory allows you to run many programs at the same time. It was data in RAM seamlessly so that multiple tasks can stay active. And last, isolate memory between progress for security and stability. This is a critical safety feature. Virtual memory ensures that each program has its own private space. This prevents one application from crashing another or accessing sensitive data from a different progress, keeping the system stable and secure. And next, my friends is Salman Al Farisi.
basic concept of virtual memory. Paging. Paging is a memory management technique in use virtual memory to divide memory into small blocks called page. Each page has fixed size and can be moved between physical memory, RAM, and virtual memory hard disk. And the second page table. Page table is data structure used by the operating system to map virtual addresses to physical address in memory. The page table contains information about the location of pages in memory. Next. Paging mechanism. The paging allows the system to load only the necessary pages into RAM. How it works. The program is not loaded entirely into RAM. When the access the occurs, the operating system checks the if the page is in RAM. If it can, it is accessed directly. If it is not, a page fault occurs. The page table stores page location, RAM or disk access rights, write or execute page status, dirty reference, and another. And the last, which paging the system can conserve memory because only the active version remains in RAM. Next. Page fault. A page fault occurs when a process tries to access data in RAM, but the data is not present in physical memory. The operating system must retrieve the data from this paging file and move into RAM. This is part of virtual memory mechanism. And the presentation will by our brother Zulkifli Ahmadani.
Okay, the next slide will be page replacement algorithm. Page replacement algorithms are techniques used by operating system to decide which pages to replace when physical memory or RAM is full and new pages need to be loaded. The goal is the goal of this algorithm is to minimize the number of page faults and improve system performance. The type of the page replacement algorithm are FIFO, first in first out, replaces the page that is first loaded. So what will be replaced is the page that was first loaded. And least recently used replaces the pages that haven't been used the longest. And this is the advantages and disadvantages of virtual memory. The advantages are large programs can still run even with limited RAM, smoother multitasking, memory isolation improves security, and more efficiency. And the disadvantages are too many page fault, very slow disk access, uh, memory management overhead, and depends on disk speed. Okay, that's all from us. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for watching.